Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this video took a lot of effort, and if you want to grow your business, get more traffic, and increase your sales using simple article marketing, you definitely don't want to miss the strategies coming next. Let's begin. 1. Why article marketing still works better than most ads. Most people think you need paid ads to get traffic, but one of the easiest, fastest, and completely free ways to increase visitors and sales is simply writing articles. As explained in the opening section, pages 4 through 7, submitting articles to content directories creates free traffic, high-quality backlinks, better search engine rankings, and more potential customers discovering your brand. People read your article, click your link, land on your site. Other sites republish your article, more backlinks, more authority. That's how one article can travel across the internet, working for you 24/7. 2. How articles boost traffic and search rankings. Chapter Article Marketing Explained, pages 5 through 7, shows how articles multiply exposure. Search engines index not just websites, but also published articles. So when someone searches for a topic, your article might appear even before your website. More articles equals more backlinks equals more higher ranking, more ranking equals more visitors equals more sales. And all of this starts from one simple piece of content. 3. The 4 elements every article must have. According to chapter The 4 Things All Articles Must Have, pages 9 through 13, strong keywords. Your article must target what people are actually searching for. Proper keyword density. Not too little, not too much, enough for search engines to rank it. Good, valuable content. People should finish your article feeling like they learned something useful. Good grammar, clear ideas, and real value make them trust you. A click-worthy resource box. This is your moneymaker. It's the small paragraph at the end with your link. If they like your article, they'll click through to your site. These 4 elements are the backbone of successful article marketing. 4. How to create perfect article outlines easily. Chapter How to Create an Outline, pages 14 through 18, explains that writing becomes simple when you start with structure. Steps: brainstorm ideas, write down key points, organize them into subheadings, build paragraphs around them, and with a strong conclusion. With an outline, writing becomes fast, clean, and stress-free. No more writer's block. 5. 5 ways to boost creativity when writing. Chapter 5 Easy Ways to Get Your Creative Juices Going, pages 19 through 23, breaks creativity into simple habits. Keep a journal. Ideas hit you at random, capture them instantly. Relax your mind. A stressed mind can't create. Build an inspiring workspace. Your environment affects your creativity. Set the right mood. Music, lighting, or a calm setting can unlock ideas. Creativity is not magic, it's a habit. 6. What to do before submitting your articles. Chapter What to Do Before Submitting to Directories, pages 24 through 28, the biggest mistakes writers make are writing only to promote, not to help the reader, ignoring keywords and search optimization, publishing content that doesn't add real value, and submitting low-quality work that directories reject. The correct approach: write articles people want to read, deliver value first, then promote naturally later. Only high-quality articles get republished by big websites, and that's where the real traffic is. 7. 6 red-hot tips to make people actually read your articles. Chapter Red Hot Tips to Get Your Articles Read, pages 29 through 33. Use short paragraphs. Readers get overwhelmed by long blocks of text. Use bullets and numbers. Make ideas easy to absorb. Use subheadings. Smooth transitions keep the reader engaged.
Write in risible titles. Your title is 80% of the success. Keep the reader hooked. Use examples, stories, metaphors. Use facts and stats. People trust numbers. If people enjoy reading your articles, they'll visit your site naturally. 8. How to write a resource box that makes them click. Chapter Writing a Resource Box That Makes Them Click, pages 34 through 37. A great resource box includes your name, what you offer, a benefit for the reader, and a compelling link to your site. Your resource box is your call to action. Make it short, powerful, and irresistible. 9. If you hate writing articles, do this. Chapter If you hate writing articles, pages 38 through 41, you still have options. Use public domain articles, free to use, rewrite, or republish. Allow other writers to submit content. They get exposure, you get free content. Hire freelance writers. Low cost, high return, your site stays unique. Article marketing works whether you love writing or not. 10. Final takeaway. Articles are traffic machines. Article marketing is simple, powerful, and timeless. A single article can spread across dozens of websites, bringing you backlinks, higher search rankings, more visitors, and more customers on autopilot. All for free, all from your words. Start writing or outsourcing, but whatever you do, start now.